Wednesday, okay? Welcome back to my kitchen. You saw the thumbnail. You know what we're doing. We are doing tacos. We don't do Taco Tuesday. We do anytime you need a taco, we eat a taco. But what's so special about the taco? It's just ground hamburger, salsa, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, guacamole, and sour cream. But I'm showing you guys how I do it my way. In this bowl, I had some different types of seasonings that make up my own taco season, not what's in those little packs you get at the store. And I'm going to give you guys the ingredients in the amount in the description. So basically, it's just some thyme, cayenne pepper, some cumin, some coriander, some paprika, some cornstarch for the thickness, and we just going to get it in. I'm going to show you how I make my guacamole. I'm not doing the typical guacamole with the onions and cilantro, tomatoes. We know all that. This is a taco. The kids just want a smooth guacamole, just the guacamole and the lime and some salt. That's it. Hamburgers on the stove cooking. And what you want to do is that while it's cooking, you want to get your mix in there. So I have my mix right here. I'm going to use my knife. I don't want to use that. I'm just going to stir it up. And you can smell it. Smell like taco mix. Smell it, son. Smell like taco mix on it. He's shaking the camera. So I'm just going to throw this taco mix, my homemade taco mix, in here for you guys. And we're just going to stir it up. See, look. It's turning the colors already. So you know the flavor is there, right? Yes. It's that quick. It's that easy. You don't have to get the packages. You can do your own. And just let it cook in with your ground beef. Stir that ground beef up. And then, you know, if you're making a whole lot, when I give you this recipe, just double it. You know what I'm saying? Double it, triple it, whatever it is you need to do. Quick and simple. Taco Wednesday. And of course, you come on Thursday and watch the mukbang, but you're getting this video today. And you just want to mix it up and get all the flavors into your ground beef. And then if this don't work for you, you know, it's your choice. Use the taco packages. But once you do it this way, I bet you won't use the taco packages anymore. I'm going to put a top on this. I'm going to turn this down low. I'm going to let it get all the seasonings that I just put in here. All up in that ground beef. Look good, don't it? Let's do that fry. Get that hamburger chop up. I'm going to turn this down low. Not all but low. We're going to be right back. I'm going to top this and we're going to get this guacamole going. Okay, guys, we're back. I did one avocado already. And I'm going to save this one. I wanted to show you guys how to do it. And basically, when you pick an avocado, you know that it's ripe. It has to be soft. When you do your thumb and your thumb imprint go in, you know it's a nice avocado. This one is not. This is what I get for not picking my own groceries. But we're going to see if we can use. This one was nice and ripe. This one may not be. So let me do this one. So guys, I'm going to show you how I cut my avocado. Just go in with the knife and go around. And if I'm cutting it wrong, you know, somebody tell me. Go in with the knife. I go around at least 2 times. And then I take it and I twist it. See, this was a nice ripe one. Then you take the knife, the back of the knife, and you click it into the pit and you twist. Hold the twist and that pit come out. Simple, easy, just like that. Dispose of your pit. Good to go. Take your spoon, clean out the flesh. And these avocados not ripe enough for me. That's why when I do my grocery delivery, sometimes you have to go and do your own picking of your vegetables and your fruit. So I can't even get it all. It's not ripe enough. They still a little bit too hard. And I like a nice soft avocado so that at the flesh just come right on out. But we still gonna use what we have. You come on out, go out the back door. We're gonna use what we have because these avocados not ripe enough for me. They're too hard. I don't like them. I need to pick out my own veggies, but I have enough to do what I need to do. So I'm gonna take my masher and just mash it up. You can use a fork, potato masher. Again, this is not your typical avocado guacamole. It's not going to be with the cilantro, the tomatoes, the onions. I'm just doing the lime, the guacamole, so they could top with their tacos. I need a bigger bowl. If I could smush this, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, the guacamoles was not ripe enough for me to be doing it with the masher. So I transferred it to my blender. I'm going to squeeze in some lime juice to give it some of that moisture that it needs. And then, you know, the flavor. Not that much, just a half, because it's not a lot of guac. And guys, make sure when you get your guacamole, I think when you're doing grocery deliveries the way I'm doing, leave all that stuff out the delivery because that guacamole have to be bounce back. It has to have a bounce back. Okay, guys, this is Sahara. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
She kept saying, Grandma, I want to be in the video. So I said, okay, come on. So I put in some lime juice, guys, and the guac, and the, what's this thing called? Oh, what is this thing called? I need some help. What's this green thing? Avocado. Okay, so let me turn this on and put this on the medium and get it. Let it do what it do. Get it grind up. We need some more lime. I don't want to put too much lime juice in it. This ain't gonna work. What? You gonna make that? She's a star because this guacamole sure dang gonna ain't the star. What? Okay, no squeeze, no lime juice. Okay, guys, this is what we're gonna do. We're giving up on the guac. I'm sorry. I don't have the right type of avocados. They're not whatever. They're not soft enough. The texture of them was not soft enough so that I could really blend them or anything. I can't get it smushed because they're not ripe. I just can't get them smushed. They're too hard. So I would never ever order my avocados through the grocery app anymore. I have to. Look, little cook in the making, guys. We're gonna be back. I'm sorry, I'm gonna leave this in here because stuff happens, and I really want to show y'all. I'm gonna go to the store get some ripe avocados and show you guys how I make my avocado dip. But we're gonna get back. We're gonna dice up that lettuce, that tomatoes, and we're gonna put everything together without guacamole. Okay, baby?
I have tomatoes.
Yeah, we got tomatoes. Oh. We'll be back. Guys, we are back in the house. Got some guac. We took a long pause between this video. It's going to be kind of late when you guys get it. Everything that could go wrong went wrong with this video. I didn't have no lettuce, no tomatoes. We had to stop, go to the store, get some guac. My God. It's what happens, right? But I had a guacamole failure on my end. Remember, when you pick out your guacamoles, you want them to be firm to the touch. Like when you go squeeze it, you want to be able to squeeze it and it come back at you. That I know it's right and you could use it. No guacamoles I had was so hard. So my kids like the flour tortillas. They don't like the corn. So I got the little flour ones and I just put it on some heat. Got this one going. No oil, no anything, guys. Just let it get warm. They like them warm. My kid's funny that way, you know. But I diced up some tomatoes, and while that's doing this thing, let me just sit these off to the side right here. Let me just cut up some lettuce. And, you know, I'm looking for shredded lettuce. You can get lettuce already shredded. Of course, don't know what stores I be going to. They just don't have anything, girl. I call you girls. I'm just talking to a girl. Soul Squad. So I'm just going to cut up my lettuce just like this. You know what? As much as you need for the family. And of course, I bought some more hamburger meat while we was out because everybody was like, nah, you need some more. So I'll be making some more on the side. So I'm just going to take this, flip it. It's getting warm. I got my tomatoes right here. Got my little plate. Let me just show you. And it's nice and warm. We're going to make one for the fam. Okay. Hand me that meat. We got, put the meat right here. The hamburger, yeah. There we go. Turn around this way. Y'all be live action. Y'all be doing everything. Okay. I got my meat going. My flour tortilla is nice and warm. And like I said, my kids love it warm. Stir your meat up. I had the meat sitting. I warm it up. You know, one of my sons had already ate one. Oh, Mom, this is so official. It's so official. But we've been gone for a while. So, just want to warm it up. I don't put too much. This is the small ones. So you don't need too much meat. I'm going to cut that all. Again, then you do what you do. Like some people, a lot of people might want to put onions. Put onions in it if you want to. And guys, remember to season your meat. I forgot to tell you that part. Even though you're using the taco seasoning, you still want to season your meat. I season my meat with a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion pepper, a little bit of salt. So season your meat and use the taco seasoning. My son wants tomato. Never how they want it. I don't know how they want it. These kids. But when Jocelyn do the mukbang, they're going to do it their way. Go in with a little bit of sour cream here. Sour cream there. I'm going to put on a little bit of everything. Some guacamole. Just spread it out. We're going in with, they like the cheese, guys. The cheese on here. This was decoration, something down on the plate. And then, you know, we got to top it. This is a quick, I made salsa before on my channel, but I just went and got some salsa. We're going to top it with some mild salsa. And that's it, guys. This is a tough video. I don't know why, but it came together. The only thing was a fail was my guacamole, but I most definitely, since I got drinks, mixed drinks coming soon, I'll show you guys how I make my guacamole dip with the cilantros and everything. But until next time, Soul Squad, thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, like, share, subscribe, like, share, subscribe, and look, Mexican burger taco, my way, my kitchen, your way. I'm out.